B. Hence, find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of 3x plus 1 multiplied by 2 minus x to the power of 6. In A-level questions, they like to lead you to your answer. So sometimes your answer comes from the first part of the question. From part A, we already did a part of the expansion of 2 minus x to the power of 6. We have the coefficient of x squared and we have the coefficient of x cubed. If we write out the expansion of 3x plus 1 multiplied by 2 minus x to the power of 6 in more detail, we would have 3x plus 1 in the first bracket, and then in the other bracket, we should have the first term of the expansion, which we don't know, but we can just leave it as x to the power of 0 for now. Then the second term would be some form of x to the power of 1. Then the third term would be some form of x to the power of 2, which we already know is 240x to the power of 2. The third term, or the term after that, is minus 160x cubed, and then we should have another term with x to the power of 4. For now, we don't know the terms for x to the power of 0, x to the power of 1, and x to the power of 4, and you will see later that it doesn't matter. When expanding the brackets in this case, we would multiply 3x to the first term, to the second term, to the third term, to the fourth term, and so on. But we only want to find the coefficient of x cubed. So the other pairs, or 3x multiplied by the first term and the second term, don't matter. We only want the one that gives x to the power of 3, which is 3x multiplied by 240x squared. We would also need to multiply plus 1 to the first term, to the second term, to the third term, to the fourth term, and so on until the last term. Again, we want to only find the coefficient of x cubed, so we want to locate the pair that makes an x cubed, and that pair is 1 multiplied by minus 160x cubed. The other pairs don't matter. And as you can see, when you're doing this question, we don't need to know the first term, the second term, or the fifth term, or the sixth term, or the seventh term, because it doesn't matter. And conveniently, part A asked us to find the terms we needed for this expansion. So to find the coefficient of x cubed, all that matters is 3x multiplied by 240x squared plus 1 multiplied by minus 160x cubed. This simplifies to give 560x cubed, and therefore the coefficient of x cubed is 560.